Afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a brand new vlog for all of you. So everyone, it has been many days that I didn't post any vlogs in my channel, so I'm really sorry that I am not regular for posting the videos, because there are a lot of scheduled works, due to which reason I didn't get the appropriate time to post the vlog. So I sincerely apologize to all my subscribers for that reason. So today I am here with a brand new vlog for all of you. So today's day I am going for some works, and what work I am going for, that also I will tell you in the vlog. And after that I'll have my lunch and I'll roam somewhere if I get the time, means one important work for I'm going. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel and watch the vlog until the end, guys. So without any further ado to the intro, let's start today's vlog. So presently the time in the afternoon is it's 2:43, guys, and you can see the heat in Hyderabad presently. So there is a lot of heat, so I have like just now I will start just now. So after that, first I'll have my lunch probably, because because one auto went. Just 1 minute. Okay, so everyone, due to the sound of the vehicle, I was not able to speak because it is beside to the road only where I am speaking. So yeah, so now I am going for, first I think I will have my lunch, because my breakfast also I have not taken today. Again another bike film, sorry. So I have not taken my breakfast today, and so that I am feeling very hungry, and it's almost time is going to be 4 within some time. So that's why I thought, let me have the food first of all, and after that I will go for it to work. And what work I am going to go, definitely I will share to all of you. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, you can see today's heat, so much heat is there today. Again and again vehicle going, so please excuse me for that. So much heat is there today. I don't know how I'm going to travel. Nearly for this work I have to go far away from this place. Nearly I have to travel 32 kilometers around. So that's why I'm very much fear before too, because so much heat is there. How I'm going to travel, I'm thinking, but it's okay. I have to go, and I will definitely share to you what work I'm going to go. So yeah, please keep continuing watching the vlog, because every vlog is done with a lot of dedication and hard work. So keep continuing watching. So everyone, I became so much tired, and I did the journey of around 32 kilometers, and I thought to eat in some restaurant, because as I said that I didn't do the lunch. That's why I thought to do the lunch and after to go for the work, for which I came that much far away. But unfortunately everyone, in the road from where to I came, there I didn't see any kind of restaurants, to be very honest. So due to that reason, I thought that since good restaurants are not there for taking my lunch, that's why I thought that okay, let's come to the mall, have some good food, and then I will go for my work, for which I came here from my location too. So yeah, keep continuing watching my vlog. And it's too hot in Hyderabad, really, it's too hot. I thought previously that Chennai actually is the most the hottest place in the country, because 5 years of my life I spent there. But after coming to Hyderabad, it seems that everything is same only. So yeah, anyways, Nexus Mall I came after so long. So yeah, be with me. And in this vlog I will also tell you that for what work I came, which I didn't say yet. So keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, in this mall, while I am roaming and going to the food court, there are really lot of brands here, because this is also one of the largest mall in Hyderabad. So here also a lot of brands are there. So I don't know I will get the time to explore or not, but if I get the time to explore, then definitely I will show to you in this vlog. So keep continuing watching. I'm just standing sometime here to relax because feeling so much tired. Why? Because nearly I traveled and came for here, might be 1 hour 40 minutes around the complete traveling. So it has been so long, the journey, the traveling and everything. So, and I'm feeling also so much hungry, work also not completed. So it's a type of situation, tension phase. And already the time also is around 4:46, you can see. So I'm thinking like when I will eat, when I'll complete my work and when I'll go back home. So these are all my tasks to be completed today, and I want that all of you, my audiences, to share today's day with all of you. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like today's vlog. So please keep continuing watching the vlog and do comment me if you like the vlog. So yeah, comment. So everyone, I came to the food court for eating, and I hope that I will find some good food for the lunch, because I want to eat some proper food, not any snacks items like burgers and KFC. So I hope I will find, because in some malls all the food availabilities will not be there. So yeah, let me see, and you can also see what are the food brands available here in Nexus Mall at Hyderabad with me. So keep continuing watching.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So everyone, I came to the mall for eating, but unfortunately here, as I have checked, that the food options is little bit less in the Nexus Mall as compared to the Sharad City Capital Mall. In Sharad City Capital Mall and in Inorbit Mall, various of food brands are available. All maximum brands are available. Too good it's really, but unfortunately here all brands are not available. So that's what I'm little bit disappointed, but okay, because I have to eat a good proper lunch, so I have chosen one as South Indian Kitchen, one food brand. Another is Smoke, where different types of sizzlers you will get. So yeah, that's it. So I'm waiting for my food. I hope the taste will be good enough so that I can come here also in the next time and try the food, although it is very much far away from my location. So I hope this eating and everything gets completed fast, and after that I can tell you for what work I came here. So yeah, keep continuing watching the vlog. I hope you will like the vlog. So everyone, I have taken my lunch, but to be very honest, here the food I felt, according to me, was not up to the mark, because here I have taken food from one South Indian Kitchen, the stall name, another one is Smoke. So from both these stalls only I tried the food. So from South Indian Kitchen I have tried their biryani, and from the Smoke I have tried a non-veg sizzler, but unfortunately according to my taste buds I didn't feel it so much excellent. It was very normal taste, and I'm quite disappointed with the food, but it's okay because various persons taste buds differs accordingly. Might be what food is not good according to my taste buds might be good to somebody else. So this is completely my personal opinion, what I felt, and I'm sharing the honest review with everyone. And what I felt is, in some other malls where I went in Hyderabad, like Sharad City Mall, there also I have tried biryani, but I didn't remember the stall name. But to be very honest, the biryani taste was awesome. Since I'm a Bengali, so dum biryani is very much popular in Bengali sites. So I think those who are Bengali, anybody watching my vlog, they are also a big fan of biryani. But if I seen in Sharad City Mall, the biryani taste was really good, and the price was also very affordable. But here the taste I didn't find that much level good. It was normal, not that much good. So yeah, that's it. It was just a review. So here I have taken my lunch. and now I'm going to go for the work for which I came this much far away, and I will share to all of you. So please do watch the vlog until end, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So everyone, after the food I came here, suddenly I have seen that there are a lot of book collections also in the mall, which is in the ground floor, like the ground floor it is there, and the book collections is really good. So for the kids, for adults, lot of book collections is there, is what I feel. And yeah, if you come here and if you are a lover of book reader, then definitely you can visit this store, which is in Nexus Mall at Hyderabad. And lot of books are there, lot of collections are there based on spiritual readings, story books. So if you want and you are a book lover, then definitely you can come here, and you can see the stall also. And they have given one offer also here. If you buy 3 books means you will get 1 free. So this store has a lot of good collections of books. So everyone, I have seen the book collections here, and really after so many days, I'm able to see some book collections. Previously in Agartala, book fair is there always in the month of January or February, and every time I used to visit the book fair with my parents, and definitely I used to buy 1 or 2 books from the book fair, whichever I like, and still those books are there at my home. So I felt very good seeing this kind of collections, and it has reminded me of the book fair which was held in my hometown every year, and even now also book fair is there. So really I felt good here seeing the books. One of the book I liked here is Build an Epic Career. The author name I forgotten, but that book is really nice. 1 or 2 pages I read. It's good really. And also there are many collections for the adults also, for the youth also, and children also. There are a lot of collections. So overall they have done really good in the mall. They have kept a bookstore. Generally like this anywhere will not be there. So if you are a book lover means definitely at Hyderabad you can come and visit the Nexus Mall store, which is in the ground floor. And if you buy 3 books means you will get 1 free. That is their sale offer. So that also I am informing in my blog. So yeah, keep continuing watching. So everyone, now I came out of the Nexus Mall, and I spent a very short span of time in the mall, like around just for the food I came, and just I roamed, like I just explored what brands are there here, and a little bit of exploring, and that's it, I came. But really this mall is also good, but the food I am little bit disappointed. Nothing apart from this. So now I'm going for the work I came here. So now I'm going to say for what work actually I came. So actually the problem is, everyone, the place previously I'm staying at Hyderabad. From that place, my office location is very much far away, like it's above 30 kilometers. So due to that reason, I came here for searching some rental homes presently, so that I can find out with proper budget near to office, in order to avoid traveling. So that is the reason I came that much far away today. So now I am going for home searching, like in No Broker app I have seen some homes. So now let me go and let me find out, and I just hope that I get good because this would be nearly the fourth number time I'm changing the home. It's very hectic process. Whoever changes the home constantly, only they can feel the pain, like how much it is difficult to take your things again and again and to go here and there. It's very much difficult, but what to do, like especially who are job people, for them sometimes because of the situations they have to change, another option not there. So yeah, that's it. That's what I want to share to all of you, so that I was little bit dull today, and there is no makeup also today in my face, because I was very tensed that, like, is it possible or not, I will get or not, like that I'm thinking. So yeah, I will show you in today's vlog, which will be a type of real lifetime experience I'm sharing with all of you. So keep continuing watching the vlog, everyone. So everyone, I came from home seeing, home searching, and literally you can see the emotion in my face. I have cried after seeing the homes. Sorry if the background sound is disturbing you. So I have literally cried after seeing the home, because in No Broker it is showing that the home is 1 BHK, but when we went and when we seen, it is actually 1 RK. So just imagine how much kind of fraud activities is going on all over the India, where the rental owners, they are keeping in the No Broker app it is 1 BHK, but when you go and practically see in that place with Google location means, it is showing it is actually 1 RK home. So I was very much disappointed and frustrated with this, that this kind of thing should not be there, because nearly I went for this, nearly 32 kilometers I traveled and went. So that is one thing I want to say. And another thing is 1 BHK homes, whatever is there, that is also is not 1 BHK, to be honest. What they have done is kitchen and hall room together, they congested together, and 1 bedroom is there, that is also very very small, and home is also very dirty, to be honest. So I really very much I was disappointed and I was upset, because this was the work I went, and to be very honest, I couldn't show you live the places or the homes what I have seen in Hyderabad, is because of the reason that they are already staying people, existing people are there. So if I open the camera and start doing the video, might be they will not feel comfortable, everyone. Due to that reason I couldn't take the video there, and almost I cried seeing all these things in emotions. This is actually the 4th time I am searching home. Previously in Chennai 1 year, 2 times I have changed the places, because of office only it is getting distant. 2 times, first I stayed in one place named as Bharati Nagar, and then I stayed near Perankalattur. These 2 locations I stayed in Chennai. Then suddenly after I came to Hyderabad here, I am staying in some other location, and now because of my office I am changing to some other location, like near to Gachibowli, I will say. But unfortunately I didn't find it, so I am very disappointed. And finally, to make myself little bit of warmth, I came here in Studio Max and all. I don't know what is the name of this area, but that also finally it's closed. I came here nearly by 9:42, so that got closed. So that's all. I want to just give a message to all of you, whoever staying in metro cities, everyone, and whoever is following No Broker app and going and searching places and homes, please make sure that you find to call the owner definitely and then go. The mistake what I have done is the address seen, and I went to that place, and unfortunately I called to the owner number, but that number is, they are not lifting the phone, and that is the problem what has happened. but without speaking to the owner, please don't go to the places, and please ask the owners to send the picture of their homes so that you will understand whatever they posted that is actually correct or not. So yeah, that is one message I want to give to all my subscribers. Is what I feel a real life experience, and I just want that in my like next time in my life I don't want to leave my home and city to come outside, because that is very painful. Like you have to search here and there for homes, rents. I got irritated with all these things. So yeah, that's it, nothing else. Please do watch the vlog until the end, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. So please keep continuing watching. So everyone, I came home and I'm feeling so much of demotivated today, because when I went outside today morning, so I went with that self motivation outside that today anyhow I have to search, the new staying location for myself, because it is becoming very difficult, for me to travel 32 kilometers per day, because office is becoming very far away. But unfortunately, after searching nearly 3-4 hours constantly, I have searched in the Gachibowli area of Hyderabad, because maximum of the companies at Hyderabad is located in that particular place only. But unfortunately, after even searching aloud, I didn't find out one also, and whatever I seen were very much worst, really very much worst. And I cried also out of seeing all this in depressions. So that's what the thing. Presently, this place where I'm, staying is okay, but here too, the companies, everything is very far away. That is a big disadvantage is there. So yeah, that was the information I want to give you, that please call to the owners and tell them always to send the pictures of the homes, so that you can see that what they posted is equal or not to what they are sending you through WhatsApp. So yeah, that was a bad experience today for me. And yeah, anything else? So I came home and I brought some groceries for myself, and let me show to you what normal groceries I brought. So it's very normal groceries only, I'm just sharing. So I brought some fruits for myself, bananas, and yes, some apples is there. I'm not opening and showing. These are apples, and some grocery items like bread and biscuits and all I brought. So everyone, in short, these are the groceries I brought for home: bread, bananas, apples, biscuits, bowlies, just for snacks. So these are my requirement items. So this was about today's video, and also I got a small injury in my leg while I was coming. So yeah, nothing else. Please do watch the vlog until the end, and if you like today's vlog, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So everyone, today's vlog, I have shared all of you about a real experience of searching the home, which was a horrible experience, to be very honest. And this was the first time that I faced such a bad experience of searching home, that finally I didn't even find one also. And yeah, that's it. Every experience in life has a worth actually. So yeah, I have taken my dinner and I have watched TV sometime for refreshment little bit. I hope everyone the message that I have given you in today's vlog will be useful when you also search homes through No Broker app. So yeah, that's it, nothing else. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So if you like today's vlog, then please do comment me, and if there is any mistake which I have to rectify from my end, then please let me know. And yeah, that's it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and until the next vlog come to this channel, till then stay safe, happy, positive and healthy. Bye bye, good night, take care.